Now some of you may remember this classic Pokedex right here. This is the OG Pokedex from back in the 90s. I remember every kid on my block having one, and it is just seriously a really cool piece of kit to have when you're basically looking for Pokemon facts. But there was another Pokedex on the block that I can vaguely remember, but I remember a couple of my friends having one, and it is this one here. The Pokedex Pokeball, and it basically allowed you to catch Pokemon within this Pokeball, which is really weird. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox it for you, and we're going to check out what it looks like. But first of all, let's take a look at today's sponsor. Vikings is a building strategy game for iOS and Android devices. You start by building up your local town into a mighty, indestructible city by collecting and farming resources. Once you have enough resources, you can start to upgrade your farms, walls, and even your troops. Now I'm currently hooked to this because I've started watching Vikings on Netflix, so when I'm out on the train I can literally jump into this huge strategy RPG game filled with detailed ancient Viking mythology to get my daily fix. Now you can download Vikings using my link in the description to play for yourself. I suggest having a little go. It is free to download, plus I'll even chuck in 200 free gold and a free ticket to Valhalla when you join. So let's jump straight in. On the left here it says tilt the ball and watch the Pokemon tracking beam speed side to side. Play 5 exciting games, and on the back it kind of shows you a couple of pictures here on what to do and how to do it. So what I'm guessing from here, this is basically too long didn't read, is that you have to catch the Pokemon and try and get it in the middle and then catch it. So you have to use the accelerometer, or whatever you call it. I think there's a ball in here to actually basically catch your Pokemon. So let's open it up, put some batteries in it, and see what it has to offer. So that came out somewhat easy. So here it is, and it's immediately quite light, but I can't imagine it will be when, oh shit. So I can close it like so, and that looks like a pretty decent Pokeball, you know, fair play. And then do I just push this? Yep, and open it up. Okay, now this is so 90s, like this plastic is super cheap. And what's this? How do I even get, okay, oh okay, so that looks like a little stand. Ah, interesting. And this should work on. Okay, sound. How do I go down? I don't think it's making any noise. Don't know if you can see that. Game 1. Okay, high score. 0, no shit. Stage 1, get ready. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing right now, but let's just give it a go. Catch 15 Pokemon. It's a Venonat. Okay, where'd he go? Okay, so I've got a light here and a light there. I'm guessing I tilt this. Wait, what the hell? Right, I had no luck with the first game type, but I went into the second game type and I managed to catch myself a Vulpix. So what I imagine happens, right, is that I've got 2 things around here, 2 lights. One is my Pokemon, Pikachu, and the other that's moving is the wild Pokemon, right? So for example, I'll show you now. So catch 10 Pokemon, it wants me to, a Nidoking, okay, which is going to be hard. So this is Nidoking, the one that's like jumping around. This is Pikachu here, and I have to get Pikachu over and hit him a few times, and then he'll start moving in here, right? And then when Nidoking hits the middle, I press catch. So for example, you probably can't see, but Pikachu's moved down here now. Nidoking's moved over here, so I need to flip him again. I hit Nidoking then, so Nidoking's getting a bit angry. He just dodged me, so I'm gonna go down. Hopefully, Pikachu wants to go down. No? Alright, let's... You got this, Pikachu, come on now. So now I need to... keep going. See what I mean? Like, the accelerometer's really old, so it's a little bit... Oh, whoops. Right, I'm gonna reset, because that Nidoking was just too hard. I need like a shit Pokemon. Like Vulpix, I caught it a couple of goes, and it was fine. So let's go to game 2. And let's see if it's something different. Please, just give me something crappy. Like a Caterpie or something. A fucking Gengar? Really? Oh my god. Like, it won't go down, and it won't go up, but there's only certain ways it will go. Now Pikachu's in the middle. I don't want Pikachu there. I want him to go down. Go. Okay, I hit something then. Keep going. Keep going, Pikachu. Oh, I caught him. Oh wait, look at that. Caught a bloody Gengar. There you go. See, so it's a bit weird, like the accelerometer or the ball inside that controls it, it's a little bit dodgy. I should try and check, see if I can actually like clean it or something. So what happens is, you throw the Pokeball at Gengar, and then you have to get the Pokeball into the middle and catch it, and then you've basically got all of the settings here. Settings, description about Gengar, and I can skip through. It should give me like how big he is, 4'11", how heavy, 89 pounds. Strength, shadow type, confusion, and there he is, putting up the... Is that a middle finger? Gengar, what the hell, man? He's giving me the bird. So there you have it. I just caught myself a Gengar, and it wants me to catch another 10, which is going to take forever, so I'm definitely not going to do that. That took me like a good 5 or 10 minutes to catch that, which is a little depressing, but yeah. And then we go into his bio here, which I'm hoping I can skip because I don't want to press all that. And there you go, there's my Pokedex, a Pikachu and a Gengar. And if can I choose? And it wants me to catch another 9. No, thank you. So there you have it. There is the old school Pokeball Pokedex that currently doesn't really work very well. Like, it looks great, it's a nice bit of a tech, I guess, to add to your Pokemon collection if you're a bit of a collector, but without doubt, like, the OG Pokedex here is just so much better in every way. Like, this is more of a game, this one here, whereas this one is more like a kind of like encyclopedia. But yeah, there you have it. Unboxing the old school Tiger Pokeball Pokedex from back in the 90s. Let me know in the comments below which one you prefer, either the OG or this one here. And if you want me to unbox any more old school Pokemon stuff, just let me know. And as per usual, thanks for watching.